All right, let's see. Is this thing on?
I've been moving, God, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for him to miss me.
What do you guys think? Okay. I am loving my new hair, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm usually not the short hair type of girl. Like, I love long and luscious hair, but I decided to do a change. This is my spring summer look that I'm going for until my birthday. So let's get into the video. So here's all the things that you would need to achieve this look. I will list everything in the description box below. So the medium ash blonde is what we're going to mix up first. This is going to go on the roots. I only did half of the bottle because I'm going to be lightly touching up my roots. So now we're going to use the toner. You're going to need 1 part toner and 2 parts developer. And what that just means is just pour the whole bottle of toner in there and then pour up to 2 bottles of the same size of developer. There is a cheaper way of how you can achieve this color. I will list that in the description box below for you as well. So when you put your root color on your lace, you don't want to press on the lace. You want to be very, very careful because you do not want this to bleed through. So take your time, be gentle, be patient. Your brush does not have to be soaked and wet in the color. Just a little bit of the color on the brush is just perfect. You do want to apply the color as close to the base of the frontal as possible without touching the lace, only because when you part your hair, you don't want that funky look of it going from this platinum blonde to the dark to the blonde that you're trying to achieve. And people gonna be staring at you for all the wrong reasons, and we don't need nobody in our business. We don't need that type of stress in our lives, so we're gonna take our time and we're gonna be gentle. So when applying the color, be sure that you touch up your front. Make sure you get that front of the frontal down packed as well. So if you do decide to wear like a half up, half down, or some pigtails, whatnot, this color is matching to the T. So you're just going to continue to repeat the step, part color, part color, part color. Be sure that you are not combing the hair after you apply the color. If you comb the hair after applying the color, the bottom of your hair color will change and you will not have that much of a good transition from this frontal to your bundles that you're going to be applying. So as you can see, I was combing the hair after I applied the color. Like I said, do not do that because you're going to have a headache at the end. This is a learning channel, so I'm telling you my mistakes so that you will not do the same. So you see how my hair turned out this kind of gray ombre color? You don't want that. So I just went ahead and I just put the toner on anyways. It's okay if you put the toner on the roots. It will not do anything to it. It is toner. If anything, it'll just lighten it up just a little bit, but not too much. Now the toner, I'm just going to apply it to my bundles. I'm just putting this on however because it's all going to be one color. It's not going to be like an ombre or anything like that. So I'm just going to apply the color and flip it over and comb through it and repeat on all of my bundles. So I opened one of the bundles all the way because this is going to be the bundle that I put right after my frontal. So nobody in your business, you want to take one of the bundles and color the same color that you're going to do your roots with so that you can have a perfect transition from frontals to bundles. So after I colored the hair, I went ahead, shampooed and conditioned it, and I let it air dry. And here's the results. So because I only used 2 bundles, I didn't have to thin out the hair at all. So I just took my scissors and I just cut it straight across to the length that I wanted. I recommend that you guys try your wig on to make sure that you are cutting to the length that you wanted. My mannequin stands the same size as my big old head, so I was good. So after that, just go ahead and clean it up put some heat to it, and you be Gucci. I hope that you guys found this video very useful. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. Until next time, stay blessed.
I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dream pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
I'm like Big Pop mixed with Tupac. I'm like Machiavelli, Nita, Little Caesar pizza. I be I like